Want to burn up some weeds in your driveway? Here's a way to do it, folks. All right, so I have added, this thing is heavy. So you saw my video, Hold My Beer, while I burn me some weeds. So yeah, this little puppy, picked it up on Amazon. Not too excited about the screws they put in there. They should have just gone ahead and put some stainless steel bolts in there, I guess those are. Anyway, just put it together out here. Gonna try to nip some of this in the bud. You know, you can put you know, Roundup and stuff on it. I'm gonna try to burn it, see what happens. Anyway, there you have it, folks. Here is the new version of Hold My Beer. I have put it in a carrier. And I'll put the link down there on what it is. But yeah, this will be an interesting add to controlling my weeds in the driveway and in the rock where I have river rock in the backyard. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Problem already. If you torch weeds too close to these plastic wheels, you will melt those suckers. So there you have it. May have to investigate some metal wheels. I don't know if I want to put rubber on there or not, but these plastic wheels will melt. And what you don't want to underestimate is when you're shooting down, even if you just have this 4, 5, 6 inches from the ground to knock your weeds out, it shoots out a flame out to the side. And it's shooting it out to the side and melted my dadgum wheel. All right, a little bit of discovery mode here with Rod's Random Reviews. Hopefully these tips will help you if you decide to pick up a greenwood flamethrower to help control weeds in your rock bed. I recommend a rock bed. You definitely don't want to be controlling weeds with mulch. You'll burn the house down. You'll shoot your eyes out. You'll burn the house down. Yep, you sure will. All right, there you have it. Another tip from Rod's Random Reviews. This is what we're doing in retirement. We're doing all kinds of odd jobs. What odd jobs are you doing in retirement? Later.